In this video, we will learn about microscopy, which means using microscopes. We'll see how light microscopes work and explain the terms object, image, magnification, and resolution. First, let's look at the parts of a light microscope. The base at the bottom supports the microscope, and the arm connects the top and bottom. There is a light source, which might be a lamp, but in this case, it's a mirror reflecting room light. Above it is the stage, where we place the microscope slide. The top part contains the lenses. There are usually 3 objective lenses with different magnifications, like 10x, 20x, and 50x. The eyepiece lens at the top has a fixed magnification and is where we look through the microscope. Other important parts include the body tube and the coarse and fine focusing knobs, which help adjust the image. Now, let's define object and image. The object is the real sample we are looking at. If we have onion cells on a slide, the onion cells are the object. The image is what we see through the microscope. If we look through the microscope and see onion cells, that is the image. It's important not to mix up these two terms. Now, let's see how light microscopes work. Light from the room hits the mirror and reflects up through the object we are looking at. Here, the light passes through the onion cells on the stage. It then moves through an objective lens, the eyepiece lens, and finally reaches our eye. The lenses spread out the light rays, making the image look much larger than the actual object. This brings us to magnification. Magnification tells us how many times bigger the image is compared to the object. If the image is 1,000 times larger than the object, the magnification is 1000x. There is a simple formula for magnification. Magnification equals image size divided by object size. We will learn how to use this formula in another video. The last important term is resolution. Resolution is the smallest distance between 2 points that can still be seen separately. Simply put, resolution shows how detailed an image is. If 2 points are too close together, they may look blurred as one. A higher resolution means a clearer, more detailed image. For example, in 2 microscope images of onion cells. Both have the same magnification, 100x, but the one on the right is blurrier because it has lower resolution. The higher the resolution, the clearer the image, and the less blurry it looks. That's all for this video.
If you haven't heard before, you can find all of our videos on our website geniushub.co.uk. Additionally, you'll also find MCQs, flashcards, past papers, and quizzes. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more content like this.